नमस्कार। विश्वधर्मी प्राध्यापक डॉक्टर विश्वनाथ कराड सर की कर्मभूमि MIT विद्यापीठ, MIT वर्ल्ड पीस यूनिवर्सिटी के इस पुणे प्रांगण में मैं प्रसाद खुरवे आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। पिछले 14 वर्षों से डॉक्टर राहुल विश्वनाथ कराड सर की परिकल्पना से MIT स्कूल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट द्वारा एशिया की सबसे बड़ी भारतीय छात्र संसद का सफल आयोजन किया जा रहा है। यह मंच देश भर के युवाओं और छात्रों को राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर एक सशक्त और प्रभावी मंच प्रदान करता है। तो चलिए विचारों के साथ, संवाद के साथ और राष्ट्र निर्माण के संकल्प के साथ इस लोकतंत्र की यात्रा की शुरुआत करते हैं। इस वर्ष से MIT वर्ल्ड पीस यूनिवर्सिटी के पृथ्वी ग्लोब से चाणक्य बिल्डिंग तक पैवेलियन की एक नई संकल्पना का आरंभ होने जा रहा है। देश को स्वतंत्रता मिले 75 वर्ष पूर्ण होने के अवसर पर इन 75 वर्षों की प्रगति का आलेख और समग्र समीक्षा इन प्रदर्शनी के माध्यम से प्रस्तुत की जाएगी। विश्वविद्यालय के विभिन्न स्कूलों और विभागों के माध्यम से यह प्रदर्शनी प्रदर्शित की जाएगी। तो चलिए इन पंडालों में एक चक्कर लगा के आते हैं।
डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ हॉस्पिटैलिटी के पवेलियन में आपका स्वागत है और मैं अभी मेरे दोस्त से मिल रहा हूं और उनसे हम जानकारी लेंगे कि इस पवेलियन में उनकी क्या थीम है और उनका क्या सफ़र होगा।
Good afternoon. My name is Nehal. I am from Department of Hospitality Management. So our theme is about sustainability and tourism. We in hotels follow various practices like eco-tourism, we can say. We have also eco-hotels where we follow all the sustainable measures, like we don't use plastic bottles, we use glass bottles to like our motive is to the sustainable development, etc. And our highlight about the stall is this Make in India statue, which we made with the pulses and spices all over for India. So these are the spices and the pulses from all over the India and the regions, etc. We also have a club called Yuva Tourism Club, where we promote tourism and encourage activities like cleanliness drive, etc. We have also been on various activities, like we did cleanliness drive which was done in Arai Hills. We have conducted various events, like you can see World Tourism Day we celebrated. So we have various lots of activities, you can say. And about our department, in our department we also conduct activities. We had a Pongal activity which was done in the January, and apart from these, we have cake mixing for Christmas, which was done in December 25.
This is the poster made in India. This poster tells about the different spices and the herbs and pulses that we use in India and the different origins from where it comes. Like example, the rice which is in the South India, or maybe the pulses or the chilies which from the Kashmir it comes. Then how we transport it and what are the different pulses, like the elaichi we have stick that we have from India, then even the cinnamon and the cardamom we have, the rices and even the fruits we grow every year. Then even we have different spices and even turmeric we have that we grow in India.
Good afternoon, my name is Avni and I am from Department of Hospitality. I want to tell you about Yuva Tourism Club by Ministry of Tourism by Government of India. We conduct many activities over here in Department of Hospitality. We have been part of many cleanliness drives.
Good afternoon, my name is Sanya and I am from Department of Hospitality, and here I am going to show you the tourism activities that is done by our department, where we have brought all the cultures and all the traditions together. And here are some of the activities that we did, just like World Tourism Day that we celebrated, where we were supposed to wear our traditionals of like the people that belong from the different states. We came with the different attire and presented our culture and tradition, and we also celebrated the Pongal, and where we wore the traditional clothes and celebrated, and we invited our SOBs, and we had lunch there that was from the Kerala only, and these are the activities that are done by our department.
Namaskar, this is a pavilion put up by Department of Hospitality School of Business. In this, we are connecting all our hospitality dots to DLGP. Whereas on my left hand side, you can see that there are various activities which are done by the department, whereas the culture has been brought up together. as India is all about diversity. So we try to bring that in our curriculum, in our forte of every students. On my right hand side, we can see that we have a Yuva Tourism Club, which is formed with India Tourism, whereas we are working towards Mother Earth, where we are working towards sustainability. Now, just at my backside, you can see that Make in India logo, whereas we are promoting entrepreneurship and which is resemblance of pulses and spices which are coming from different states of the country, and that's how we promote our country. And as if I like to take you on my left hand side, we have a Statue of Unity which is generating maximum revenue, the foreign exchange for our country, and that is something that we should be proud of. In small tenure, we got wonderful foreign exchange coming across in this particular thing.
We, Department of Hospitality Management, follows sustainable practices.
Strong governance.
Tourism for nation building.